Good morning, students. Now yesterday already started the man-induced disasters. So one of them is terrorist attack. Now we all know that since last decade of the last century, the terrorist activity in the entire world has become very much big. In reality, terrorism does not care for any race, community or region. It is the enemy of mankind. इंसान का दुश्मन बन रहा है, right? The immoral, destructive acts performed by a person or a group is called terrorism. In human acts like destruction of property, creating an atmosphere of fear and thereby draw attention towards their demands, then genocide, abduction, etc. are the terrorist weapons. Nowadays, the terrorism has spread in many countries of the world. In recent times, perhaps no country is safe from terrorism. Some terrorist attacks now we discuss that occurred in the world. On 9th September 2001, that a series of suicidal attacks were made in USA by terrorist organization. About 19 terrorists hijacked 4 passenger jet planes, of which 2 planes were dashed against the Twin Towers in New York City. Due to this, all passengers on board and many people working in these towers were killed within few minutes. Many people were injured as their houses collapsed. Of the other 2 planes, one dashed with the Pentagon and the other dashed into the farm in Pennsylvania. There was no survivor from these 2 planes. In this attack, about 3,000 people were victimized and more than 6,000 were injured. Now second event, that is 13th December 2001, that 5 terrorists from one terrorist organization attacked the Indian Parliament building and took the complex under its ban by firing without any restraint. Indian Army soldiers tagged their lives and defied the plan of nation's enemies to dissolve the parliament, which is like a holy temple of democracy. About 8 security guards became the martyrs and 16 were wounded. On the night of 26th November 2008, a series of bomb blasts and firing took place near well-known hotels and some important places in Mumbai. At a regular interval, about 137 persons were injured in some well-known hotels. The terrorists kept many people under custody. The central government sent 200 NSG. NSG means National Security Guards, commandos, 50 military commandos and 5 battalions to control the situation. After 2 days of struggle, all the terrorists equipped with modern armaments were killed. In December 2014, about 141 persons, including 132 innocent students, were killed in a terrorist attack on an army school located in the cantonment area of Peshawar in Pakistan. So today we talked about the terrorism and some terrorist attacks of the world. Now tomorrow we shall discuss at that time what we have to do and what not to do. Okay.